Okay, what we're going to look at here is just installing the Diqus module. So we want to let's open one up here. We've got a profile where we want to use the Diqus commenting system on blogs. Let's open up a blog here just to make sure. There we go. Hello and welcome, and we want to add it down the bottom here to the details page of the blog comments and use it as blog comments. So in our system, let's install it into the marketplace. Discuss. There it is. Install. Go. Okay, it says that wasn't successfully installed. Click here to activate it, but it doesn't give you any extra information on what you need to do. And there's a required step here to get Diqus module, to get the Diqus comments feature working, and if you don't do it, it's not going to work. So you've got to come over to Global Config, and add in your Diqus short name. It says this is the short name that can be found on your Diqus under your site's identity section. It was created when you signed up for Diqus. So what you have to do is you have to sign up for Diqus. Over here we have the Diqus.com website. I'm logged in and I want to go to the dashboard, and then add a site. And the name of this the site that I was using is JR5A, and they've created the admin URL jr5a.disqus.com, and give it a category, tech, others. Finish registration, and that's it. It's going to ask you to choose your platform with all of this stuff here, but because we're using a module from Jamroom, we don't need to do any of that. We just need to take this JR5A here, back to the Diqus short name, add it in there. Don't want to add that extra space there, probably get stripped, but add it in correctly, save changes. Okay, and now Diqus is installed, and from here you can go into the quota config and let all of the quotas have access to it or not access to it. If you don't, apply to all quotas, allowed on profile, save changes. Now because we've done that, if we come back to the blogs where there wasn't a Diqus thing before, hit refresh. And now we have Diqus coming out here at the bottom. There we go. Comments are provided by Diqus.com instead of the comments module.